Welcome to Strange Sounds, the iDoser.com series about strange, supernatural, or odd audio. In the depths of Edinburgh's haunted vaults, this chilling audio recording captures what sounds like a ghostly voice trying to communicate. These vaults, hidden beneath the historic South Bridge, have been the site of countless paranormal encounters. Ghost hunters believe this could be an electronic voice phenomenon, a supernatural sound caught on tape. Some think the voice is trying to send a message, but its words are unclear. Stay tuned as we play this terrifying recording from one of the most haunted places in the world.